HBAR bounced off a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Once again, we have been absolutely killing it in our Telegram channel. This is just another reminder for those of you that haven't joined yet. We are providing daily updates on charts of all your favorite coins as well as your favorite trades. So make sure to check out the link in the bio if you want to. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another HBAR analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on HBAR, we broke below a very crucial support level here at 0.08. Yesterday's video, I mentioned, of course, the fact that we will be looking for a retest opportunity on this support level. We got that beautiful retest and ended up breaking below this level. But of course, you can see that as of right now, we have broken right back into this support level using the exponential moving averages as support. And we are seeing a very nice bullish move set happen. Now, of course, there are a few things I want to talk about in this video. Number one being the fact that this wasn't really a surprise, since on the 4-hour time frames, we were in extreme oversold conditions. We were expecting a bounce opportunity. You can see, of course, with Bitcoin and Ethereum, we saw some massive short squeeze opportunities, so the altcoins should follow through as well. We, of course, know the fact that this was a possible double bottom formation, which I did mention to you guys 2 days ago when we were trading within this range here at 0.084. I mentioned to pay very close attention to the 0.08 range, because if we ended up breaking below this support level, that would be our confirmation for a shorting position down to 0.073. Now, of course, looking at the previous price analysis, you guys already know in Telegram, we made an absolute killing today of 30% because we ended up shorting this move set. And the reason why I mentioned the 0.08 level specifically is you can see from previous price analysis, this level acted as a very strong resistance point. So it would only make sense for this level to act as a strong support. If we ended up breaking below this support level, that would have been our confirmation to be looking for that shorting position. But since we never really ended up breaking below, right now we are seeing a very nice continuation. Of course, from the bullish case scenario, it's going to be very important for us to try to break above these exponential moving averages, use them as support, and then a continuation. If we do end up rejecting the previous support as new resistance, which of course is again at 0.084, that's your confirmation to be looking for that shorting position and a much stronger pullback opportunity. Of course, from a bullish case scenario, if we get any clean break above 0.084, this would become a very strong V-shaped formation heading right back into our major resistance level, of course, at 0.09, and possibly seeing a very nice breakout opportunity. You can see, of course, that even on the hourly time frame, we did have a very nice W formation play out almost perfectly, and this is why I always mention to you guys to pay very close attention to our hourly time frames. Usually the lower time frames tend to tell you exactly what's going to happen, and you can see that as soon as we broke above our exponential moving averages on the hourly, that was your confirmation to be looking for a long position. You could have obviously waited for that pullback to retest on support and then a stronger continuation, but right now all eyes remain on 0.084, so pay very close attention to this level. If we do end up seeing a very strong wick opportunity and a rejection, that's going to be a beautiful confirmation to be looking for that shorting position, because not only will we reject off that level, but of course you can see in terms of our exponential moving averages as well as our RSI, we would be of course in the extreme overbought conditions. And in terms of EMAs, this could be a very nice zone for a possible pullback opportunity, a nice fake out, and then a stronger continuation to the downside. Now, if we look here on the daily time frame, I do want to talk about a few things. Number one, of course, looking at the daily time frame, you can see that we have held above 0.0814, and of course the fact that you do have a beautiful hammer candlestick formed on the daily time frame. Now, in terms of hammer candlesticks, usually we have to be followed by another bearish engulfing candle, so it's a little too early to say whether or not this is going to happen because the daily just obviously opened 3 hours ago. But pay very close attention to this range right here. You guys can see why I'm mentioning the 0.084 level multiple times. It's because not only is it a major thing on a 4-hour time frame, but as well as on the daily time frame, you can see of course that our 9 exponential exponential moving average is exactly at that range. If we do end up retesting this level as resistance and a stronger confirmation, that's going to be the possibility of a beautiful local top opportunity on HBAR and a much stronger pullback opportunity. The reason I point that out because of the fact you can see in terms of our 20 exponential moving average, we have already tested that level twice. This would become the third test opportunity, and usually on the third test we tend to see a massive breakdown formation. Now, of course, from a bullish case scenario, if we did end up breaking above this exponential moving average, which of course, once again, 0.084, if we ended up breaking above that level, we could be looking for a very nice continuation trade on HBAR for that possible massive parabolic move, which I did mention. As long as we remain above the exponential moving averages, we are only going to be considering taking those long positions on the daily time frame, but this doesn't mean that we can't be looking for intraday trades on the 4-hour, which you guys, of course, in the Telegram have seen me do multiple times. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have one.